He came in for an oil change, and on every oil change we do a vehicle inspection. We look it over for safety concerns, leaking stuff, broken stuff. Safety is always number one. On this truck I found that he had a axle U-joint that was loose, and he has an axle seal leaking in the rear. He also has a small leak on his transmission pan. After speaking with him, he hadn't had the vehicle very long and he wanted to service his transmission while we're in there. It's always a good idea. A lot of people don't know that about 60,000 miles when you need to start servicing your transmission to get that longevity out of them. And the U-joints, the factory U-joints on most vehicles don't come with greasable U-joints. And so the aftermarket options, there's greasable U-joints that we like to put in that makes them last longer, a little better than factory parts. As far as the axle seal goes, it's just normal wear and tear, brittle plastic, rubber over time from heat and stuff. It just wears out and starts leaking.